Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
We have JDU Working President and Building Construction Minister, Sri Ashok Chaudhary, with us. Thanks for talking to the Prince, sir. So, what is your take on this? All these talks about very strong anti-incumbency against Nitish Kumar?
No, I don't think so. Okay, the people are creating a narrative about it. Few people, few political parties are creating a narrative, but I don't think so. Okay, because Nitish ji has delivered. So people know that Nitish ji is the person who has delivered in last 15 years as far as infrastructure is concerned, health is concerned, education is concerned. Even if you see in the agriculture sector, what we were producing as far as wheat and rice is concerned, we have almost double the productivity, and in last 3 years we are now 8th in this national IBM as far as production is concerned. We are 8th in this countrywide. So in every sector, in the agriculture sector, in education sectors, in health sectors, in basic infrastructure, everywhere Nitish has performed.
So, is there some fatigue factor? 15 years of JDU rule.
People are creating that kind of a perception, especially people from the opposition political party. They are creating that now it is now 15 years, so now he is old, something like that. But end of the day, the people are seeing okay, what was earlier Bihar. There was 118 massacre in this state. There was a caste war in this state. There was a religion event in this state. Now in last 15 years, you can see what has happened, how things have changed.
So, why this promise of 10 lakh jobs by Tejaswi gaining so much of traction?
No, I don't think so. It is going. He has given a narrative that whenever I'll come in the first cabinet, I'll give 10 lakh jobs, because he thinks that unemployment is one of the major issues. So he is addressing that. But from where he'll get that money? You need every month. You need 50,000 crore. From where he'll get that? The state budget is when they have left. His mother has left this in 2005. The state budget was 24,000 crore. Now the state budget is 2,15,000 crore.
You have a surplus budget, I think.
No, we have surplus budget, and from where you will get that 50,000 crore from where every month for this 10 lakh job? You are just giving a promises. No, what has happened in Jharkhand? Jharkhand also you are having an alliance. You have promised a job there. Why you are not fulfilling your commitment there in Jharkhand?
But why is unemployment such a big issue in Bihar? But what has been the performance of your government on this issue?
If you see that in last 6 months, 15 years, we have given 6 lakh job, government job. You know, no government or no country can give job to every government job to everyone who is eligible.
So 6 lakh government jobs under
Nitish. Yeah.
Compared to the Lalu regime?
Lalu regime they have given 95,000 job with 10 years with including in Jharkhand. So 95,000, and we have given 6 lakh jobs, government jobs. And still there are, I think he is saying that around 4,50,000 jobs are vacant. But that is not true. I think almost around 1 lakh or something jobs is vacated, and more than 75,000 we have already advertised. It is going to take place very soon.
But unemployment is a big issue.
So that's why we have to create a livelihood of youth. That is the basic. So that's why in the first Sat Nischay also CM has said that Arthik Hal Yuvaon ko Bal. So how he has trying to skill them. Now he is saying ki only computer and training, and this is not going to help you out. So he is saying that tool rooms, how to skill more youths. So he is emphasizing in that Yuva Shakti, how he is doing in Sat Nischay 2 also. That was the first Nischay is on youth only.
Coming to Sat Nischay, now Chirag Paswan has been targeting the Chief Minister on Sat Nischay. What is the Chirag Paswan phenomenon? Earlier there was a speculation that probably the BJP is backing him. BJP has denied it. But what's your reading of the situation and how much will he damage you?
I don't think so. He will damage much because earlier Chirag wanted to be a part of NDA, so he must be looking for a number of seats. He was not able to get that much number of seats, so he planned to fight it, and he is contesting. So it is not that he is only contesting his JDU seat; he is contesting on BJP seats also. It is not that. Yeah, number of more seats are from JDU sides. So fair enough. But is that from where he will get? He is trying to say things about Nitish Kumar. But what has happened in Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha, in last 1 year, what has exactly happened with you? In Lok Sabha, you wanted that Nitish ji should come for your campaign in Jamui, and you asked Nitish ji, and Nitish ji went also. In last Delhi election, assembly election, what you said on the election campaign about Bihar, and what you said about Nitish ji. There are lot of video which is there in YouTube, what you were saying about Nitish ji. So what has happened in 6 months? How you find that Nitish ji has changed in 6 months?
He calls himself Prime Minister Narendra Modi Hanuman.
No, that he is creating a perception, a new political narrative in the state. That I am with Nitish ji, so Modi ji, so that the pro Modi I can be able to attract pro Modi votes, and he is saying things against Nitish ji so that he can attract some anti Nitish ji vote, so that he will be able to create a space there in the Bihar politics. But it is going to happen? That is $1 million question.
Why is Tejasvi Yadav drawing such big crowds in his rallies?
No. This crowd is coming in CM's meeting also. Crowd is not a criteria of a person is getting elected, because whoever is contesting against us, he also gets vote, no? 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 votes he also gets. Every time, if you see from 2005, 10 and 15. So it is not that people are coming in a 20,000 or 30,000, people are 10,000 people are coming. So people come. So people, doesn't that opposition is not getting vote, they are also getting votes.
There is strong speculation in the political circles that probably Prashant Kishore is helping Tejasvi Yadav. I mean, do you have any such information?
I don't know about Prashant Kishore, who is helping whom. I don't know about it, but might be he is helping. I don't know. I don't have any information about Prashant. We are not interacting with Tejasvi or Prashant Kishore, so that's why. But yeah, people are buzzing about it. That is Prashant Kishore ji is playing in the hands of opposition, or creating a strategy for the opposition.
So is Nitish ji's vote bank, say, especially among Mahadalits and EBCs, is it intact, you say?
Yeah, definitely. The Mahadalit, EBC and the Mahila voters are totally intact, because Nitish ji has done a lot for them.
You are the most prominent Dalit face of the party. Now, coming specifically to Dalits, do you see any split happening in the non-Paswan Dalit votes at least?
No, not at all.
Because that's what the Congress is trying to say, or Tejasvi Yadav's camp is trying to say. Because this core vote bank is getting split.
No, definitely. How he will say that he is going to form a government? How he will say this? If he won't say that there is a split in Dalit, there is a split in EBC, then who is going to vote for him? So he has to create a narrative, no? In political circle, in the journal, with the journalists, that there is a split in scheduled caste, there is a split in EBC, there is a split in Mahila.
Post-election, if you fall short of seats, and if the BJP wants to get Chirag Paswan back in the NDA fold to form the government, would you accept that?
I don't think so. Chirag is going to get the number also.
How many seats do you give her?
I don't think so. He will be able to get any seats.
Because Home Minister Amit Shah has said in an interview just last week that we will see what the situation is after elections, and then we will see if Chirag comes back into the NDA.
No, Might be Amit Shah ji, but it depends now how much seats he is going to get. That is $1 million question now.
But would you accept him in the fold?
No, I don't know. After giving so much of statements and something like that, how you will expect some that Chirag will be in the fold? Or I would say that he is not going to get the number. Number is important. No, how much number he is going to get, that is important.
What's your number for the NDA this time?
I think that we'll get the 2/3 majority.
And for JDU?
We have not analyzed like that. We are fighting the whole as a combination. So we have analysis as a combination. All 4 political parties together.
Okay, so thank you very much for talking with me. Thank you.